Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Monday video, and we are going to be testing out the new Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. Luminous foundation. I knew it was Luminous, but it only says foundation right there. But it says Luminous over here. So this is what we're going to be trying. I have the color 220N, and this is what the bottle looks like, just like the box. It's pretty. So let's just see what it has to say. I know that it retails for $38 at Ulta, and it comes in 50 shades. It says, Luminous Foundation by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a water-resistant liquid foundation that creates a luminous, natural finish. The radiant formula delivers long-wearing medium coverage, yet still feels so lightweight and looks ultra fresh. This is the coverage you have been waiting for. Luminous Foundation looks so great on its own. There's no need to set it with a powder, available in many completely natural shades. Luminous Foundation blurs any imperfections, including discoloration and unevenness, without caking or masking the skin's natural radiance. With a seamless application, this easy-to-blend formula leaves the skin with a perfected-looking complexion that is free of flashback or oxidation. It is water-resistant, long-wearing, with medium coverage. So it only gives medium coverage, but I'm okay with that now. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, formulated without gluten, parabens, alcohol, oil, mineral oil, or talc. It is cruelty-free and vegan, available in 50 shades. Okay, that's what it says. Now you know everything. And my color is 220N, and it was light neutral with a peach undertone. So, let's get to it. I have already put on my primers. I used my Milky Mist, my Milk Hydrating Grip, Hydro Grip, and my e.l.f. Putty in the T-zone. So I am just going to put a couple pumps, maybe, there. The pumps are really small, but I know that when I put this on my hand in store, I would do like a half a pump, and it just covered my whole hand, so a little goes a long way. So we're just going to dot this on. And spread it out. See, I still have some. It was 2 pumps that I used, which to me is like 1 pump. And I'm just going to spread this with my brush so that it doesn't get all picked up. It does seem a little bit dark. Not really though, because I am tanned right now. So, it's probably perfect. And if it's not, it's the girl at Ulta's fault, because she said it was perfect. Which is weird, because I ordered it online, and then you pick it up in store. And once I got to the store, they actually had it in store, which is amazing because ours usually doesn't get it for quite a while. That's why I order online, so that I know whether they have it or not when I order it, before I drive to town to get it. And this is the color I ordered. But when I got there, I wanted to go ahead and test it. To make sure I got the right color, so I could just exchange it right then if I didn't. And we tested, because I had decided maybe it was a little too dark and I should go for the next light color. And we tested them, and she's like, "No, I think you got it right." So I got what I got, and it looks pretty good, which is truly amazing for me. Because actually, there was one online that I was going to get. It was neutral, with neutral undertones instead of peach, but they didn't have it online. It was out of stock, so I went to the one next to it, which was the peach one, and thought, I can probably do that. So I ordered that one, and then when I got to the store, they had it in the color with the neutral undertones, and it was not as good as the one that I ordered. It was a lot darker. So I did good. So go with your gut if you're ordering it. Actually, maybe not, because my gut said get the neutral one. I just got it all over my earring. Anyways, I think it looks good. It's got a little bit of luminousness, a little bit of dewiness. Not too much. I don't look greasy. I hate it when I get a dewy one and you just like glow and look greasy. And I haven't even gone over it with a sponge. And I don't even really think I need to. I still will. Just on the edges mostly. To make sure it's blended. I always get it in my eyebrows too. Make sure it's out of the wrinkles. I like it. All right, let's go ahead and add some other stuff. Concealer. I'm going to add a little bit. I'm going light, except right there. We'll take some of that off. All right. Last few times I've looked in the mirror, I thought, too bright underneath the eyes. So that's why I thought, okay, we're going to go easier on the concealer in natural light. Up here it looked fine. So let's just see if this covers all my stuff that I want covered. What do you think? I know you guys are always telling me I use too much concealer, but you know. We're going to give it a try, just a little bit. Oh, I forgot to put it right here. I don't know if I have enough on here. Cover up that redness. Maybe I can get a little bit right here. That work. What do you think? It's pretty glowy. Let's add some powder. I always have to add powder. And I am just going to add a little bit of this Jeffree Star delicious smelling powder to my under eyes. And around my nose. And in these wrinkles that want to crease. I need to set that there next to my nose and in these wrinkles. And then I'm just going to take a little bit. Oh, I feel like I have a hair on my nose, but I don't see anything. Kind of smear it around a little. Actually, I'm going to have to get a little bit because I just don't have enough. Two. If I don't set right here, then it's going to crease really bad. All right, I'm not going to do any more powder because we're going to try and let that luminosity come through. It's much toned down since I powdered it, but it's still there. I can still see it. Okay, I'm going to go off camera and finish my makeup, and I will be back, and then we will do some wear tests, check-ins. We'll do some check-ins. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. If you like this eye look, it'll be up on Wednesday. What do you think, guys? So far, I think it's okay. I don't know. It seems like it's not perfect. It's like sinking into lines a little bit, I think. I'm not sure what it is. But it's definitely... I definitely don't look flawless, which is too bad. But maybe it'll get better as the day goes on. So I will check back in a few later tonight and let you know how it held up to some hot flashes and whether it got any worse, because it's just barely sinking into wrinkles. But it definitely is. So I will check back in at the end of the day and let you know how it did. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back and it is the end of the day. We're here for our final check-in, and I have to say that I like it a little better than I did at my first check-in when I got it all on and then I looked in the mirror and I didn't really care for it. It did seem to get a little bit better, but it still, to me, is just like a little too dewy. And I know that's probably from hot flashes, but it just, I don't know. To me, it looks kind of greasy. And it also seems to accentuate wrinkles. And I'm sure that's the dewiness, but I will try it a couple more times, but at this point, I'm going to give it a thumbs down because I think that it is accentuating wrinkles way more than a matte foundation. Now, maybe if I took my Wander Beauty powder puff thingy anyways, and just powdered it a little, that might help. It toned down the shine, but I don't know what it is about this foundation, but it just, I don't know, I'm just not impressed. It seems like it's making me look older, and who wants that, right? So I'm going to have to give this one a thumbs down, but I will keep trying it a few more times because this is a first impression. And if I change my mind, I will update it in the information box at the time that I change my mind. I don't think I'm going to change my mind. Powdering it did help, but I powdered it when I put it on. So, and it is a little like breaking up cakey right here on the side of my nose. I don't know what that's about because it's only right there in that one spot. At least that's all I can see it in. I had a dry spot over here. Nope, still have it. So anyways, I'm going to give this one a thumbs down, and if I change my mind, I will add it in the information box. So, and I'll try to mention it in another video when I do that so that you can come back and look at it. But for now, I'm sorry, Anastasia, but I had high hopes for it. I thought it was going to be a Lumi one. It is a Lumi one. It's really Lumi, so if you're not old and have wrinkles, it might be great. But for my wrinkly face, it's not really working out for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this on all your social medias. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!